Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Hive, and this is episode 125 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions. We take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the Facebook things, and we put them here for you so you have the right information straight from the Yak's mouth. So on today's episode, we're talking about little to no sodium in your food. IT department, I need help. $10 to open your cabin door. Empty bear growlers on embarkation day. And TSA locks on your luggage.
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser asked if it was possible to get food prepared with little to no sodium for someone diagnosed with heart failure. John said, it is indeed. He also asked that they send this request along with their booking number to his colleagues at access@carnival.com. That will be in the description. Let's put that in the notes too. The link will be in the description. This will make sure that they get their food prepared accordingly. That said, I'd imagine this would be an MDR or main dining room only type thing. If you go to Guy's Burgers and say, give me a low sodium burger, they're gonna go, huh? And I don't blame them. So yeah, I would imagine this would be a MDR thing only, but if you need a low sodium diet or any of the dietary restrictions, access@carnival.com, and they will most certainly take care of you. Question two. This one is not more of a question, it's more of, if you've seen the microwave one, you'll know where this one came from. This cruiser asked if he can pass the information onto the IT department that every time they hit the cruise control button on their car, it doesn't work. They're still on land. John said, oh, he's definitely gonna pass this along because he has the same button on his car, and every time he hits it, he too is still on land. So, I mean, me personally, almost every time we go to the cruise or on a cruise and heading toward it, even if I don't need to hit it, I kind of hit the cruise control button so I can look at my dash and go, haha, cruise control on. It would be nice if you could just hit that button and poof, you're on a cruise. I would love that. Speaking of love, if you love what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question three. This cruiser, and this is a weird one, so I have to read this one. This cruiser asked if John can confirm if the Celebration ship uses tap to pay cards or the RF chips in the cards to open your cabin door. He also read, probably on Facebook, that Carnival will charge you $10 to use this little nice feature that they have on the Excel class ships. Really? Stop reading Facebook. John said, no, we don't charge anything. It's just tap to open, but there is no charge. So could you imagine if they charge you to use the tap to pay thing, especially on your cabin door? I mean, we go in and out, I don't know how many freaking times a day, and we'd be broke. We'd have to plan our ins and outs. And like the last cruise, we forgot our keys, again, 2 in a row. And we had to go to guest services. Do they charge you more for that? So no. Yes, on the Excel class ships, they do have the tap to pay or the RF, the thing. So you're not sticking your card in there. And same thing at the change machines. You want to tap it, done, easy. Love those. I wish they would do them on all ships, but no, there is no charge to have this little upgraded feature. It comes on those ships. Question 4. This cruiser wanted to know, is it okay to bring an empty beer growler on board so they can get it refilled on board? John said, yes, absolutely. You can most certainly bring these on board. Obviously, they have to be empty. And you gotta make sure that they have a pig and anchor bar on board. So that's the only ones that will allow you to fill the growlers. And if you buy the growler on board, it's a discount every time you fill it on board. So if you bring something outside, I don't know if there's a discount or not, but it has to have a pig and anchor. Since we were talking about XLs, actually all the XLs have a pig and anchor, so you can fill up your nice little 64 ouncer and walk around yum, 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 just enjoying the beer. Last question. This cruiser has suitcases that have built-in TSA locks. They would like to lock them, but only if the security for Carnival, because it's not TSA technically, has the key to unlock them if they needed to. John said, go ahead and lock them. They have the TSA locks, so you can lock your luggage. If they need to inspect it, if they found something in there that's suspect or they need to look further at, what are you packing, by the way? Then they can absolutely unlock your TSA lock and relock it. So while it's sitting in the hallway, it is locked yet again. So there you go. That's been episode 125 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.